If you need to change the email address on your GOG account, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're updating an old email, switching to a new inbox, or just keeping your account details current, it only takes a few minutes. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and sign in to your GOG account. Once you're logged in, go to your GOG security settings page. This is where you manage important account details like login options and security information. After the page loads, look for the section labeled Login and Security. In this section, you should see your current email address listed. This is the email currently connected to your account. Next, find the Change option next to your email address and click it. GOG will open the email update process so you can enter a new address for your account. Now type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure you enter it carefully and double-check for any spelling mistakes, because if the email is incorrect, you may not receive the verification message. Once you've entered the new email, click Save New Mail. At this point, GOG may ask you to complete one or more verification steps. These are there to protect your account and make sure the email change is authorized by you. Follow each on-screen prompt carefully. After that, go to your new email inbox and look for the verification email from GOG. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Open the email from GOG and click the confirmation link inside it. This final step confirms that you own the new email address and that you want it connected to your GOG account. Once the verification is complete, your GOG email address should be successfully updated. You can now use your new email for future account notifications, security alerts, and login-related messages. That's all it takes to change your GOG email address. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.